What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you had a spectacular weekend. We're going to go over Gala, a couple scenarios to look at. We're sitting at 0.042. We're up 4% on the day. Market cap 1.57 billion. 24-hour volume 218 million. So I think the higher probability is upside continuation. We have a bull flag, and that bull flag, I love how that works, perfectly lines up with the 161.8, which is the target for our wave 3. So what you want to see is confirmation, breaking the bull flag, maybe a little retest before seeing that continuation back to the upside. That's what I think is the higher probability. If we fail to do that, we roll over. Taking a look at BTC, we have 5 waves that are completing. So if it saw a larger pullback, but I don't think a deeper wave C into the 2-cent range is a higher probability. Looking at the weekly chart, beautiful retest of those weekly EMAs, bullish cross, what we were looking for. And now we've seen a nice bounce. So I think the higher probability is upside continuation. However, if we fail to break that bull flag, we start to roll over, we lose the support of the bull flag, then it is possible to come down to the low 2-cent range. But I do think that's worst case scenario and not the higher probability. I think the higher probability is continuation up in the 3, pull back in the 4, continue up in the wave 5, especially with Trump's inauguration around the corner. So weekly chart looks really good. We retested those weekly EMAs, looking for that continuation up to 13 cents. That's what I think is a higher probability. Of course, I could be wrong. We'll see how it plays out. But more confirmation with the break of that bull flag to push up to 0.051. All right, gang, we're in 4 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds to sign up to BITUNIX, one of the few exchanges you do not need KYC or VPN to trade futures in North America. It is available all over the world. Take the 30 seconds to sign up. Send me email. That's all you have to do to get completely free access to my VIP rooms. One of our members is posting trade signals all day long. You also get access to my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects. My exact crypto trade setups. We're in 4 trades right now. My Forex signals. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking profits. Almost 3,000 members in the Discord. You really don't want to miss out on it. And all you have to do is take that 30 seconds to sign up to BITUNIX and then send me email. One of the best offers on YouTube, in my opinion, for a free trading group. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.